AI is particularly bad for electronics. Firstly, because it will only be as good as the data that is on the web, and the data about electronics is of way lower quality than programming, for example. There are a lot of wrong schematics online, and they are often shared without any verification. And I've designed quite a lot of music-related electronics, and I can tell you that a lot of designs that I've seen online usually lack a lot of critical components, so they might work, but they are absolutely not optimal. Another reason why AI is really bad for electronic projects is that if you don't really know about the subject and you have an idea about a solution and you ask the AI to help you with it, it will probably lead you in the wrong direction because it will keep the technology that you wanted to use. And there might be another solution for your problem that is cheaper and easier to manufacture. So what should you use instead? The number one thing that people don't use enough, and you probably heard that 100 times, but it's true, it's data sheets and application notes. I'm mainly using ST products, but you can find similar information for TI or most manufacturers out there. So for my particular example, I'm doing NFC antennas and I don't know a lot about this subject. So I searched online for the resources that I could find online, and there were a lot of application notes which I printed. I can put a list here on the screen. Now, the topic that I was researching was quite new for me, so even the application notes were quite hard to understand, and that's where the second resource I want to talk about in this video come in play, and that is educational material. So there's a lot of books you can find on product management, product making, electronics in general. And one tip that I would give is, especially educational material can be had for really, really cheap. If you buy, for example, older textbooks, you can really have them literally for pennies. And the last thing is that you can find a lot of excerpts from books online, like older edition PDFs. And that's another great resource that you can have instead of using unreliable AI.